right, guys, welcome again. So now we are done with that part. We need to clean up our resources so that we don't incur unnecessary charges, right? So now I like this code. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to export it. You can reuse it later on. Don't include the output, right? You can, but it's going to make the file too big. It's not needed. Just leave, uncheck this and then you export. That's great. And then I'm going to also export this as well because I need to shut down this workspace. I'm going to export. I'm just going to show you what I typically do to clean up my lab. So basically I will I'm just going to stop this guy. And then I'm going to come back to my workspace here, and now I'm done, right? So I'm just going to delete it. All right, it's asking me to put in this guy. I'm just going to drop it in. Delete. Okay, beautiful. My workspace is deleted. There is nothing to do here. Just going to close this guy. And then we're going to clean up all of our AWS resources. Let's quickly do that together. Let's do that together. So I'm going to, first of all, delete this because I need to empty. Okay, beautiful. And then I can empty the ones I don't need. I don't need this guy. I will delete it. All right. Okay, so we'll also, so all the bucket I don't want again, I will just delete or empty them. Okay. Let's quickly do that together. It's okay, beautiful. And then I can then start deleting the buckets. I know the ones I don't want. Okay, and then I will delete this one as well. So I've deleted that. So I'll go back to my stack. Let's go, and then we can delete the stack. Delete the stack. All right, so it should just delete. Let's see. Should be deleted. You cannot just wait for it to delete. So let's quickly do that. So that's how you would typically do it, and then you go ahead and make sure you clean up the other possible resources that are still within your console. Just make sure you delete everything, otherwise it's gonna keep running for nothing. All right, so for example, I will double check EC2. I will terminate that. Usually I will have like one of the instance working, so I will terminate that. Terminate. Okay, and also I will double check the elastic IPs. Okay, I might need to still, it might not allow me to release them. Okay, I still need to do some more cleanup, so I'll go to VPC. I'll just double check that. VPC. So this one, it will get cleaned up automatically, but this one may not. So I'm just gonna try and delete this one. Unable. I need to delete my gateways, so I will come to NAT gateways. and then I will delete my gateway. Should allow me to delete. Okay. All right, and then and once I delete the gateway, it should allow me to release this guy. Okay, not yet. Okay, so let's try and delete the. Oh, maybe it's just taking more time. I have a separate video on how to clean up, so but this is just an additional one in case you missed that one. So let's see. Okay, network interfaces. Let's delete. Actually, I don't have to delete this one. Okay, so let's go back to VPC. Sometimes it takes time, so we're just gonna take a look again. Okay, let's try to delete this time around. Oh, the network gateway is still deleting. Yes, so just make sure you delete the VPC, the EC2, or just watch the other recording that we have, and you should be able to make sure you clean up all the resources that have been created. All right, I believe that's helpful. All right, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.